In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a YouTube advertising account from scratch. Now, when I mean a YouTube advertising account, I really mean a Google Ads account because YouTube ads are run through Google Ads. So I just want to emphasize that. Now, when you're setting up a Google Ads account to running YouTube ads, you really want to do things under an MCC account. So what an MCC account is, it's basically like a manager account where you can create sub-accounts underneath, you can add other accounts underneath it, and it allows you to essentially create multiple accounts easily. And it's really a risk mitigation strategy. It also makes organization easy if you're running multiple ad accounts. It's just a lot safer to do it. Think of it as a Facebook business manager, right? But the Google version of it. So what you want to do is you want to come to this URL, which is ads.google.com/tool/manage accounts. There'll be a link below to that. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna create a manager account. So the manager account just makes life so much easier. You just basically sign into your Google Ads account here. Okay, so once you log in, you'll have your business information here. You'll put in your account display name. So you could put in Linx Digital LLC, test. And if you're an agency, you want to definitely click on this. If you're doing your own ads, you could do this. And then obviously choose your billing country. For me, it's the US. And the currency as well. So obviously wherever you're running ads and whatever your bank is, you want to choose that. You'll click submit. So I'm not gonna actually click submit because I don't wanna create an account here because we use this account for a lot of our own stuff. But essentially what happens once you do create an account is you're gonna essentially be here. So you're gonna have your MCC account. As you can see, I have a bunch of accounts in here. So once you're in here, you've created your MCC account, you can create new accounts fairly easily. So all you do is you go to accounts over here, you click this plus button. So once you click this plus button, you could create a new manager account underneath your MCC, which is pretty cool. You can link an existing account where you put in the account ID. So if you have existing ad accounts, you can add it to your MCC. And then you can click create new account, which is what I'm assuming you'll be doing. So when you click create new account, you'll add in the name, you'll add in the country. So I'm gonna do United States. And you can add in users, save and continue. So then you'll go in here, you'll have your, basically your account billing information that you can add in here. And yeah, now you've created the account. You can look for it based on the title you had. So right over here. Okay, so now you've created an account, you click onto it, you get in here, you'll click new campaign because you basically need to go through this step before you can actually run ads. So as you can see here, this is actually giving me the traditional interface. You will need to make sure that you set up conversion tracking if you're creating these kind of drive conversions accounts. But essentially, your account is set up and you can set up campaigns in here. So guys, that's how you set up an account under an MCC. And in that case, it was pretty straightforward. However, some of you might just want to create an account without doing an MCC, or even if you do create an MCC, you'll see a different interface. So I want to show you what the interface would look like if you are just creating an account from scratch. So just in case, even if you do create an MCC and you see this new interface, I want to show you how to navigate it. So all you do is you click start now. So once you log in, you'll click this, create a new Google Ads account. And this is probably what you're going to see the first time you create an account, right? Because with my MCC, we created a bunch of accounts, so that may have changed some stuff. Now, typically what you can do here is you'll probably click on your website. You could also promote your YouTube channel. So what they make you do is create a campaign to actually set up your account, right? So you're going to pause the campaign after you set up the account. So you put in your website. Now, obviously, you can click on the video as well. In this case, I just essentially wanted to really get things set up ASAP. So again, just skip all of this. This stuff doesn't matter. I'm in South Africa, so it's showing me South Africa as the country. Again, none of this matters. You're just going through it. You're just setting up that first campaign. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna enter in your billing and your card details. All right, so I actually did add my credit card details in there for you guys. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on this Explore this campaign button. And what you want to do is go to settings. This is the first thing you need to do, and switch to expert mode. So this actually makes it a lot easier, because the other mode, the beginner mode, is really just a way for you to lose a lot of money. Because with the expert mode, you can actually set campaigns up properly and so on. So anyways, this campaign right here, I'm just gonna pause campaign here. And yeah, there you go. You pause that campaign, and then you can set up new campaigns from there. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you set up your Google Ads account. Obviously, you want to add in billing, you want to add in conversion tracking as well, but that's how you get your account set up. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video and you want a more in-depth step-by-step guide to getting everything set up, including conversion tracking, including getting your ads set up, how to optimize your ads, and really how to run ads like an expert, you should check out our YouTube ads training program. There will be a link below where you can check that out.